Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share to you how to crochet this hot keychain. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. First, make a magic ring. After magic ring, chain 1, and 8 single crochet into the ring. 2 single crochet, insert your hook into the ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through into 2 loops in your hook. And add more 7 single crochet. After your 8 single crochet, pull your yarn to close the ring. Then slip stitch into the very first stitch. 2 slip stitch, insert your hook into the stitch, and yarn over, then pull through into 1 loop in your hook. To start our round 2, chain 1 and 2 single crochet in every stitch. Please make sure that you will have 16 single crochet in total. After 16 single crochet, slip stitch into the very first stitch. Chain 1 to start our round 3. 1 single crochet into the first stitch, two single crochet into the next stitch, after 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet again into the next stitch, after 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet into the next stitch. So just alternate the 1 single crochet into the stitch and 2 single crochet into the next stitch until you will have 24 single crochet. After 24 single crochet, slip stitch into the very first stitch. And to start our round 4, chain 1, then 1 single crochet in every stitch. And to finish every round, slip stitch into the very first stitch. From round 5 to round 6, please repeat the process of round 4. After your round 6 guys, if you don't want to change color, just continue with the same process. But this is how I change color, guys. Insert your hook into the first stitch and grab another color of your yarn and finish your slip stitch. Next is chain 1 and single crochet in every stitch. And finish your round 7 with a slip stitch. Do the same process to change the color of your yarn. And let's proceed to round 8. Start with chain 1. So in this round, we will only put single crochet into the front loop only. Into the next 2 front loop, put 1 single crochet in each front loop. Two single crochet into the next front loop. Into the next 2 front loop, put 1 single crochet in each front loop. Two single crochet into the next front loop. Continue this process up to the end of this round. After this round, you will have 32 single crochet. To finish round 8, slip stitch into the very first stitch. To start around 9, chain 1. Into the next 3 stitch, put 1 single crochet in every stitch. Two single crochet into the next stitch. Into the next 3 stitch, put 1 single crochet in every stitch. Two single crochet into the next stitch. Please continue the process up to the end of this round. To finish this hot keychain, slip stitch and chain 1. And here guys, all we have to do is to put our keychain ring And here guys, our hat keychain is done, and that's all for this tutorial. Good day, God bless us all. See you in my next tutorial.